Our world is full of surprises, some good, some challenging. From natural disasters to power outages, emergencies can strike when you least expect them. But here's the thing, you can prepare. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 practical survival tips that can help you handle uncertainty with confidence. Let's get started. Your survival kit is your emergency lifeline. Include essentials like water, 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Food, non-perishable items like canned goods and energy bars. First aid kit, bandages, antiseptics, and personal medications. Tools, a flashlight, batteries, and a multi-tool. Keep it portable and ready to grab in a backpack. Situational awareness can save lives. Pay attention to weather alerts, local updates, and unusual activity around you. Being proactive means you can avoid danger before it escalates. Learn simple but critical survival skills, starting a fire for warmth and cooking, purifying water to stay safe from illness, building a basic shelter for protection, navigating with a map and compass if GPS fails. Stay connected during crises by setting up emergency contacts and meeting points. Use two-way radios as a backup if cell networks go down. Physical fitness and mental resilience are key. Exercise regularly and practice stress management techniques like meditation to stay calm in high-pressure situations. To recap, build a well-stocked survival kit. Stay aware and proactive about risks. Learn basic survival skills. Set up a reliable communication plan. Maintain physical and mental preparedness. Take action today. Start with your survival kit or practice a new skill like water purification. Share these tips with family and friends. It's better to prepare together. Stay safe, stay strong, and remember, survival is a mindset.